Hi! In front of me is ZTE Axon 20, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. First of all, go into Settings and tap on Connected Devices. Now select Pair New Device at the top and click on the one that you wish to connect to. In my case, this one. Now wait for the pop-up to show. Then select Pair in order to continue. Lastly, just wait for the other device to do the same. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. If you want to disconnect them, you need to click on this gear icon next to the device, select Forget next to Connect, and confirm your choice in the pop-up. In order to connect to the same one, choose Pair New Device again, click on it and select Pair. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!